and this video is about voiceover. And voiceover is in Animaker you can record by yourself your voice and put it in your character. And you can also use text to speech, which is new, and you can also upload voice by yourself. So let's get started. So first we're going to choose a background. And I'll choose this background. Beach again. Maybe not beach. Maybe this. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of cute. So let's choose character to speak. Character is important. And I'll choose this one. And you can string it if you like, but I think this size is perfect. And you can scrap it anywhere that you like. Okay, so right now we're gonna record it right now. And you just gonna press the character one time, and you will see all of these. And this time we're gonna use this one, like a microphone, and if you touch it not pressing it, it will say voice over, VOICE-OVE or voiceover, and press it one time. And I already said we got 3 things in here. We got record voice, text to speech was new, and I will explain about text to speech. Text to speech is mean I'll show you. And press it one time and you will see the text, and you can search it if you like Apple or something, and you can choose English language or some language. We got so many language in here that they have. We got so many language, but not all of the language in the world. We also got some female or male, and we also got all of these. And if you like it, I can press it right now because I didn't write anything, and this video is not about text to speech. It's about record video, but I really want to know how is text to speech. So how it is. You can also, if you don't want to be record, you can upload your voice from internet or Google something. And this video is about record voice, so press it this kind of microphone one time, and you will see like this your character and voice records. And we're gonna record it, so we will press this kind of blue microphone with white, and press it one time, and make sure you're ready to say. So I'm ready. Ready, steady, go! Hi everyone, nice to meet you. So I can't say it right now because I don't want my characters to say press it one time. So if you see, I press the red microphone which is say stop, and you will see review, record again, cancel, or apply. And you can also name your voiceover if you like. And I will name my voiceover HELLO, hello, WORLD, world. That means this name is called Hello World. Maybe this sign too. And you can also review it if you like. And if you don't like, you can cancel it. So let's review it. Hi everyone, nice to meet you. Oh, I like this very much. So don't press cancel because you're gonna cancel, and if you don't like it, you can record again. But I'm just gonna press apply because I like it. And you need to wait a little bit because, like, you need to wait a little bit. And you will see this message, and don't be scared because this message said the sound is right now in. And we're gonna review it right now, but before we review it, like, we're gonna review it first, and I will show you how it's like go. We're gonna wait a little bit. Hi everyone, nice to meet you. Yeah, and you might be wondering why yours is moving, mine is not moving the voice. I know how can be happen. So you're just gonna press it one time and you will see all of these action moves, and if you can see all of these action move, you can touch or go all the way down, and we're gonna speaking, so search SPEAK, speak, and you will see all of these. Maybe let's get this. So how this is to make speak. I already do it speak, so sorry about the confusing. And we're gonna press play again to see how it works. And it's more microphones, so more sound, right? No, it is a trick. We're gonna wait a little bit. Hi everyone, nice to meet you. Yeah, perfect. He's like working too, and like if you can have more ideas to this if you like, and when it also can see expression if you want to like make it like sad face or something like. But I just gonna smile because I like smile. Maybe this one. They're like kind of like new. Can be also sleep. Oh, it's not like sleeping, but because it's not in bed. So, anyways, I hope you like my video. If you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so make sure not miss any of my video. Bye!